What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over a powerful system called $25 This is for people who want to make full-time income or part-time income online. This system will allow you to earn 100% instant commissions. Before I jump into this video, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. You can see I have my mask on. Alright, I just got back in the house. Where I live is mandatory in public places to wear these stupid masks, and I just realized I still had it on in this video. But this video is mainly gonna be about this system, how it works and everything. And I'm gonna show you guys some payment proofs. I got paid today and I got paid yesterday without doing any work, and I'm gonna get to that. But this system is very unique. This system is very easy to navigate through, and what it allows you to do is once again earn 100% instant commissions. And if you're like, hey, well, how do you earn? Okay, you see these products over here on the side. You have gold, platinum, diamond, enterprise, and elite. You could come in at any level you choose to come in at, and at each level you earn 100% instant commissions for the product that you sell. And it's no limit to how much you can make at one level. The gold level you earn $25 commissions. Platinum level you earn $100 commissions. The diamond level you earn $250. The enterprise you earn $500 commissions, and the elite you earn $1,000 commissions. Now keep in mind, these commissions go directly to your PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, Zelle, whatever it is that you choose to use. Those commissions will go directly. Okay, so this is a member to member based business. Okay, and that's what I love about it. No monthly fees, and you don't have to worry about back charges or anything that you may be used to. If you have any online marketing experience, sometimes back charges and cancels could burn your business down when it comes to making profit, but not with this system, because there are no monthly fees. Okay, now another thing that I like about this system is the autoresponder. Okay, you have a built-in autoresponder with unlimited leads. Now if you've been a part of the game, and if you're new, you need to listen to this part in the video. Building an email list is very important. No matter what business you have, you must have a way to promote your products while you are away from your computer. Okay, so you're not a slave to your computer. You don't have to just basically be on your computer everywhere you go, because your business is still running on autopilot. And another thing I want to point out, guys, my hats, as you can see, Cash Addict. My shirt say Cash Addict. This system as well taught me how to run a online store when it comes to my own products. But we're gonna get in that in a whole nother video. But I just want to point out that I have my own products as well. Cash Addict, guys. You can get those if you want them. Just let me know. You can email me and I can get you your hat and your shirt, and I have other things as well sent to you. But to get back on topic, the autoresponder will allow you to run your business on autopilot, and you get unlimited leads with Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp, or any other email marketing tool. You will have to pay a monthly fee. It will not be free, and this is free at any level that you come in at. No extra charge. Unlimited leads, and with, like I said, Aweber, GetResponse, those type of email marketing systems, once you reach a certain amount of leads, you will have to upgrade and pay more so you can have more space, but not with $25 okay. And another thing that I want to speak on is you could see the score of each lead, so you could know who is interested, who is a hot lead. Email these people one-on-one and have a conversation with them to see where they are at. And all you have to do is click actions and click the score, and you can see, okay, yesterday they opened the email, last Friday they opened the email, last Saturday. Okay, so they're looking at the content that I've been sending out on autopilot. Unique part of $25 1-up, it's a done for you system. And you also get resources and tools. You get Facebook group cheat sheets. Let me show you really quickly. Pre-ran ads and everything that you could use coming in as a beginner, or if you need, ads to promote this business, which you will, because you have to come up with creative content to have, people ask for more info. We share this system with them, and the system does all the selling and the telling for us. So, boom, you could use these. These are really helpful. And once again, you have the affiliate marketing cheat sheet, Facebook group cheat sheets. Facebook groups are very effective. You can post in them. And there are already like-minded people inside of those groups that are looking for ways to make money. The information to this system will be below, so make sure you go ahead, check it out, get started, don't procrastinate. The power in $25.1up in 2020 is phenomenal. The system has been doing, the numbers for me. Let me go over here to my business and show you guys some of the payment proofs. So yesterday was with the family. I went back home. I haven't been home since last year Thanksgiving, but I had a really good time, and yesterday I was able to make $125 without actually promoting the system manually. And when I say that, I mean because once again my system was promoting on autopilot. I also have content on my Instagram and my YouTube, so I was able to make $125. Okay, and today I was able to make $25, and I haven't promoted anything because I'm also in the process of moving, and I'm doing some stuff with that, packing, and I just been really away from my laptop. So I really didn't expect to make any money today, but once again, $25 has been made. And a lot of people might be looking like, hey, what is $25? I look at it as $25 per hour. So I made an hour's worth, okay, of $25, which I didn't even have to do once again. And it came, and today is not over with. Once today's not over with, I can do some marketing right now and come up with some commissions because it's instant. That's what I like about this system. All right, so I had to zoom in, guys, because, other team members' private information is also in the back office when they become a part of you. So you can reach out, connect with them, and keep organized of who is a part of your team and your downline. That's very important because you want to be a leader. You want to be able to reach out, give training, and just be able to connect with your downline. And as you can see, these payments are direct. All right, $100 here, 25, 25, 25, 100, boom. Another 100, another 100, 25, 25, 25, 20, 100. These add up. All right, so as these commissions are once again instantly put into your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, or Zelle, because this is a member to member business. Okay, now this system itself has paid over $1 million to affiliate marketers like me and others who are a part of the system, and you can be the next person to get paid. All you have to do is take action. Okay, look at all of these commissions. All you have to do is take action, and you can earn 100% instant commissions of $25, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 per referral. If you want more info, check out the link below so you can get started. We'll see you guys inside the system. Other than that, I'm out.